Ever felt like you're lost in a digital maze, trying to find that one crucial tool you need to run your business smoothly? You know, that moment when you're thinking, wait, where did I put that thing again? Specifically, today, we're talking about that very feeling when you're asking yourself, how on earth do I get to my Square Appointments dashboard? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, managing appointments, schedules, and client interactions can feel like juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle. And let's face it, when you're running a business, every minute counts. You don't have time to waste hunting for crucial tools buried within a digital ecosystem. You need clarity, you need speed, and you need to get to your Square Appointments dashboard like yesterday. Think about it. You've got clients waiting, schedules to manage, and maybe even a team to coordinate. You need to see your calendar, your bookings, your client details, all in one place. That's where your Square Appointments dashboard comes in. It's your command center, your mission control, the nerve center of your appointment-based business. But if you can't find it, it's like trying to fly a plane without knowing where the cockpit is. Frustrating, right? Maybe you're a seasoned Square user, but you just switched to the appointments feature, or perhaps you're a brand new business owner just diving into the Square ecosystem. Whatever the case, navigating the online world can sometimes feel like trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphs. You search, you click, you scroll, and still you're left wondering, where is it? Or maybe you're on the go, trying to check your schedule on your phone, and you can't seem to find the right app or the right link. Or perhaps you're on your computer juggling a million tabs, and you just need to get to that dashboard without getting lost in a sea of browser windows. The truth is, finding your Square Appointments dashboard shouldn't be a treasure hunt. It should be a straightforward, intuitive process. That's why we're here today. We're going to break it down step by step so you can stop searching and start managing your appointments with confidence. Let's start with the basics. The Square Appointments dashboard can be accessed through both your computer and your mobile device, but the process is slightly different for each. We'll begin with the computer. First, open your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. Next, go to squareup.com. This is your gateway to the Square ecosystem. Once you're on the Square website, you'll need to sign in to your Square account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Square account. Make sure you enter the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Square dashboard. This is the main hub where you can access all your Square services. Now here's where the magic happens. Look for the Appointments section. It might be listed on the left-hand navigation menu or within the Apps section. Click on Appointments, and you'll be redirected to your Square Appointments dashboard. This is where you can manage your calendar, view your appointments, access client information, and configure your settings. Now, let's talk about accessing your Square Appointments dashboard on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is slightly different, but equally straightforward. For mobile access, you'll need the Square Appointments app. If you don't have it already, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Just search for Square Appointments and download the official app. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll be prompted to sign in using your Square account credentials. Enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Square Appointments dashboard. The mobile app provides a streamlined, mobile-friendly interface, allowing you to manage your appointments on the go. You can view your calendar, check upcoming appointments, access client details, and even send appointment confirmations and reminders. Now, let's talk about some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. One common mistake is entering the wrong login credentials. Double-check your email address and password to ensure they're correct. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password option on the login page to reset it. Square will send you an email with instructions on how to create a new password. Another common issue is using an outdated version of the app or browser. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Square Appointments app in your web browser. Outdated versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues and prevent you from accessing your dashboard. Regularly updating your software can help prevent these problems. If you're still having trouble accessing your dashboard, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for accessing online services. If your connection is weak or unstable, you might experience login issues or slow loading times. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. Another helpful tip is to bookmark the Square Appointments dashboard page on your computer. This way, you can quickly access it without having to navigate through the Square website every time. Just open the dashboard page, click on the bookmark icon in your browser, and save the page to your bookmarks bar. This will save you time and effort in the future. If you're using the mobile app, make sure you've granted the necessary permissions. That might require access to your calendar, contacts, and notifications. Granting these permissions will ensure that the app functions correctly and that you receive important notifications about your appointments. Now, let's take a quick look at some of the key features of the Square Appointments dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see your calendar, which provides a visual overview of your upcoming appointments. You can view your schedule by day, week, or month, allowing you to plan your time effectively. You can also create new appointments, reschedule existing ones, and block off time for breaks or personal appointments. The dashboard also provides access to your client list. You can view client details, including contact information, appointment history, and notes. This allows you to personalize your interactions with your clients and provide them with a better service experience.